Welcome to Stories and Tales channel with Miss Mimi. Today we're going to be doing something different. I meet little friends who don't know how to draw a person. They ask, Miss Mimi, I don't know how to draw a person. Can you draw a person for me? Then I tell them you can draw a person using shapes. I know. Surprise! Okay, so today we are going to learn how to draw a person using all the shapes that we know. So get your pencils and your paper or your notepad and let's get drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw the head. And what shape is a head? A circle. You get a circle. Now, my friends, sometimes, that's not a good circle. Sometimes the shape of a person's head could be an oval. But today we're just going to use a circle. So a circle. There you go. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry guys, this circle is not circling. Anyway, yeah, so we have a circle. Now, we're going to fill in the face. How many eyes does a person have? 2 eyes. And eyes are usually also circles. So we go 1, 2. Now, how many noses does a person's face have? 1 nose. The shape of a nose is kind of like a triangle. So I am going to give this person a triangle for a nose. Now we've got the mouth. The mouth is a bit tricky, but we are going to do it. So we're going to pretend like we're drawing a circle. We start from below and go like this, and we stop. And then we do a straight line down here. And we've got a smiling face. Now this shape is a semicircle. I think it's a semicircle because it's half a circle. Now we're going to go to, shall we draw the ears? Sorry guys. Shall we draw the ears? Ears, I'm going to put circles too. So kind of like this and like this. Are you liking this? Now, if we're drawing a girl, we have to put hair, right? We have to put hair for her. For the girl's hair, I would like to do triangles, like many, many, many triangles. So for example, you go triangle, 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 triangle. Right? Okay, now let's go to the body. For the body, if it's a girl, I like to give her a dress. And the shape of the dress in my head is a triangle. So we go triangle and close it up. Can you see her forming? Now we're going to give her legs. The legs, I like them to be rectangle, really long and slim rectangles. So it will be something like this and like this, and close it up. And like this, another rectangle over here because we have 2 legs. Close it up. I know. Now, we want to give her shoes or feet. So how about we just do a circle for her feet? So we can go like this. We can go like this. Now let's give her hands. The hands also look like the legs. And she's got 2 hands. So let's say she's raising her hands up. We go up, 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 and then we do I think for the fingers, I would like to use triangles just because circles are not appropriate for what I'm doing. So there you have it. You have a girl with shapes. Now, if you want to decorate her, make her look prettier, you can play around with your shapes. You can give her earrings over here. You can give her eyelashes, these ones. Just boop, 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 boop. Little eyelashes. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. And then you can decorate her dress. You can do polka dots, which will be circle too, little circles, right? And there you have it, my friends. That's how you draw a person using shapes. Now, it's not gonna be fair if we only draw a girl. It's so funny. If we only draw a girl and we don't draw a boy, right? So let's try a boy. Now, where do we start? We start with the head, which is a circle. And we go to eyes, 2 eyes as usual. A nose and a mouth. We're going to give him ears too. I think, oh my goodness, why are you lopsided, boy? That's because Miss Mimi was drawing you from an angle where she couldn't really see. But I kind of like it. He's like, okay. So now I'm gonna leave him, his head is his head, because sometimes boys have shaved heads. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to draw his body. So since he's a boy, we're not giving him a dress, we're giving him a shirt, yeah, or a jacket, and it's going to be, I'm going to make it look like a rectangle. So rectangle, rectangle, right? And then for his shorts or pants, another rectangle, 2 rectangles. See that? And then we're going to give him circles for feet. And then for his sleeves, rectangles. And so the only difference really between the boy and the girl is their body shape. The rest of them is pretty much the same. The face, the eye, the hands, the feet are the same. There you have it. Now, if you want to make the boy look funky, you could put a pocket, which is going to be a square over here. You could also make his trousers polka dots, or just put patterns on them. So it could be rectangle and triangle, 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 circle, circle, circle. Honestly, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. So yes, there you have it, my friends. We have a person, a girl and a boy, and we use only our shapes to draw them. What shapes did we use? We used the circle, we used the rectangle, we used the triangle. We also used a square right here in the pocket. Isn't that cool? Like, you can use shapes to draw whatever you want to draw. I can draw a tree with shapes. So maybe we'll do more of these kinds of videos if you like this. If you need some help or some inspiration for your art project at school, I'm talking to my little friends, my 3 and 4 year olds, not the 9 and 10 year olds or the 7 or the 8 year olds. But yes, this is how you draw a person using shapes. I enjoyed doing this. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned how to do it too. So I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye, my friends.